Good day everyone, my name is Engineer Toblaba from Banner Technologies. Today I'll be taking you through the demo finance, which is the account portal for Edu-Slick school management system. So but before I go on with my demonstration, I would like you to have an insight of what the portal is really working for. And one is that it manages student and staff payment transaction. It also creates manage fees and track debtors among the students. It prepares staff salary schedule and payment. It automated income and expense audit, and it also generates receipts for all transactions. So having in mind that this is a demo presentation, and you might likely to be seeing some kind of app functionality because it contains 70% of the real-time system. And now I will be taking you through the module one after the other. So we have this here, as you can see at my left pane side. We have the home. So at the clicking of home is going to return me to the dashboard. So in this dashboard we are going to see staff birthdays and the recent messages. So because we don't have any staff birthdays, so we have no notification there, and because we don't have any messages at all, so we have no recent messages. So this is giving us a good afternoon, and is giving us the current time, which is first time, and the section we are in currently. And going on to the students, we can see that we under the student we can only see search students. So and under the search students you can only search students by either by department or by typing keywords. So and the finance, when you click on fee, this is where the accountant or the bossa make all his transactions. So if we have a fee to be added to the system, you can easily click on the select the department and select which grade you want to compute a fee for. Then you click on manage. So at the clicking of manage, you are going to see if we have any fee that has been added before. So you are going to see the section which that fee is being used for, the term, the tuition fee type, and the description of that fee and the amount. So one thing about this status here is that if this fee is not set to active, then this fee will not be viewed in that particular class and that term. So until we change it to active, that's when the finance will be able to use that fee to make payments. So and any fee that has been set to active cannot be deleted. So all these functionalities are working fine in the real-time system. And if you want to add new fee, you can easily click on add new fee. It's going to request for the section which you want to insert the fee, the term, the fee type, the amount, and the description of that fee. So going back to the finance, going back to fees, under the fee transaction you can easily click on this. So term, so first time. So let's see if we have any transaction on that. So here we don't have any transaction. So but the system is going to give you fee expected, payment received, and discount. So and at the top here you can see view debtors. So this is going to print out the list of debtors we have in the school. So the finance doesn't need to stress himself going up and down to check who have paid per class. you just need to click on this view debtors, then all the debtors in the school will be viewed. So then this fee expected, if you have any fee that has been set for a particular class for a particular term, the total fee, if you have 100 students here and the fee that has been assigned to this first term 2029 session grade 1 is 10,000 naira, then it's going to calculate 10,000 times 100. That will be the fee expected here. And how much have we received so far from this among these 100 students? That will be here. Do we have any discount? So you can see that if you don't have any discount, it will be 0. So that is that for fee. And the salary, you can easily do make a salary schedule for a month. So here we are going to see the name, the bank name, the account number, the gross pay, do you have any loan, welfare, tax, cooperative, penalty, deduction, and the net pay. So we are going to make the payment with that. So and pay salary, we have that under the finance also, and the constant transaction, which carries the the income and the expenses of the schools. So all these income are going to be included in the audit finance, which is being added in the real-time system. And if you are going to the inventory, this is the inventory here. So the inventory, what you really need to do is just to add the item name, the department which the item belongs to, the company where that item is being bought from, the receipt of the item, which is the receipt number, and the cost per unit. So if you are giving out the cost per unit and the quantity, the system will be the one to calculate the net value of that product. So you don't need to stress yourself bringing calculator whenever you want to do insertion or editing of a fee. So it's a system that will perform the operation for you. So that is that for inventory. And you can also add new inventory by clicking on this. You select department where that item belongs to, then you put the cost and the receipt number, then you add it. So the system will be the one to perform the net value, and you can also delete it if there is any error you've done. So now we have the upcoming event, the my salary. So we have my salary also, salary for this May 2021. Do you have any salary that has been paid? So we don't have any salary here, we don't have any deduction, we don't have anything, so everything is empty here. But if you have been paid, then you will see the date of payment, you will see method, you will see the person, you will see the accountant that paid that money to you. So but because we don't have any transaction, we don't have any salary paid under this staff, that makes it empty. So with this demonstration, I think you are able to know and understand the purpose of the finance. But in the real-time systems, we also include some functionalities like the online transaction, how the accountant will be able to verify online transaction, money being paid through the portal from the parent. So there is a way the financier will be able to verify that payment, check the date of payment. So if a parent has made a payment of for a tuition fee yesterday, and the finance is just maybe away today, you can easily go to calendar and check for transaction done yesterday by parent. Then they will be able to cross-check how much did they receive yesterday and confirm if the payment is correct or not. Then they'll be able to verify all the transactions. So this the these functionalities I'm talking about has been added in the real-time system, so which the schools are now enjoying. So for any school adopting this application, they are getting the full package and 100%. And also working with the mobile app which we are going to provide to the school, and they'll be able to download it on Play Store. So with that, it will even help the finance with easy access of all these modules. So in the next class, I'll be taking you through the e-learning, which is for the student portal. So stay tuned. Thank you.